Hi, hello. I'm Daini Labos, 37 years old, a single mother of one son, a high school graduate. My father's name is Dionisio Labos, 67 years old. My mother's name is Dorilyn Labos, 63 years old. Yes, I have experience as domestic worker, first at Oman. I finished my contract for 4 years, and the latest is at Singapore. I finished also my 4 years contract. My main duties is to take good care of child. If the child is sick or not feeling well, I always tell my employer first. And if the child is crying, I always make sure if they are not hungry, sleepy, or I always check the diaper is full or half full, especially for the newborn baby. Uh, yes, I know how to clean, to cook, to wash clothes. I know also how to use appliances like washing machine, rice cooker, vacuum cleaner, oven, microwave oven, and I know how to manage my time to do all my household chores. Yes, I want to work abroad because I need a salary to provide my family needs, especially for my son and my sister's education, for my grandmother medication, and to my both parents that they are both a senior citizen. To my prospective employer, please hire me. I am willing to learn, to listen, to do, and respect for to all you want me to do. Thank you and God bless.